Támad ar fad an seo con brand-new agus éisteach le Midnights. For me an cean deluxe so a couple cín sa bhreis an seo, a couple bonus tracks ar an cean seo. So she codas. Yes, queen. Bhí mé freisin ag iarracht sa sponsí of like merch atá na rudí ar fáil atá a Taylor óna blianta, so she just little haul beag sa little snowmid. Ach tá tíléine ón Tourist Reputation a bhí barc an croaky. Tá an cardigan ó Folklore. Tá sé sin co-cozy. Bhí mé conní seo catha mar like literally tána dahanna mar ggéine like Midnight Blue. Ach sin an Folklore cardigan. For me an bar seo ó Fearless Taylor's version freshen, so kind of like fada agus cozy. And ceart eile. Oh yeah, na blúis your fada tám. So like bhí mistigéiseach le Taylor ó like míle blian, like ó hen tá mé sean inis ach red nar tháinig amach ó 2012. 2012. Like is Queenlum rinne si YouTube live, like sin an céadar bhí YouTube live on. Agus bhí gatan like, oh my god, cá mé dul ar YouTube agus sean tam nar bhí like dial-up ang agus gacrad Somalia. Agus I'm like, let a hole, like ní me gur núsáach aon den an phone, no go me English taxteach mar curseteach ar like YouTube live Taylor, so she's like, oh tá album on there random red, blah blah blah. So sin throwback ceart. Ach, bhí mé géisioach like, bhí mé 3 days on my fish inis, so it's a vibe. Okay, no maid then fetch this, please. Big and cool. Woo! Stunning. If I do say so myself.
Last July, down deep inside your pocket, we almost forgot it. Does it ever miss with clothes sometimes?
Michigan some technology. Come on. Oh Jesus, okay. Okay, come on, go clubby, huh? Through the shop. Kosher no like TG car, let's go. I mean, I'm like filter lavender Kershaw. Scarlet.
Carnations you had thought were roses, that's us. I feel you no matter what. That's a real fucking legacy. Legacy in a way.
Oh, look up or there she fuckle Donna.
Oh, it's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me. Empty, tired. Everybody agrees.
No, Taylor.
I'll stand. Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby, and I'm a monster on the hill.
Sometimes I feel like everybody is a sexy baby.
Did you hear my covert narcissism, like disguised as altruism, like some kind of concept?
Like the Folklore again, then.
It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. It's me. I'm the problem. It's me. It's me.
Hi,
Next to
Jay.
you, and it's like snow at the beach. Weird but fucking beautiful, fine beach. There's snow on the beach. There's snow on the beach. There's snow.
Yes, Lana.
This scene feels like what I once saw on a screen. I searched for a borealis queen I've never seen. Some snow at the beach, weird but fucking beautiful, flying in a dream, stars by the pocketful. You wanted me tonight, feels impossible, but it's coming down, no sound, it's all around. There's snow on the beach.
Yes.
There's snow on the beach.
Then again, there's Salom.
There's snow on the beach. There's snow.
Nice. Ooh,
Are we
circle.
falling like snow?
It's Roname. The Mokos Marov. Yes. Yes. Agus Lana. Tá sin go mór lom. Like, cur sé agus de gwibna am ag an tús like nar hain sé suas, you know? Ní mé an corf. Wow, tá mé an wall. Like, I want a weird one. Yeah, agus just Nomade, Faker Taylor. Queen. Yeah, a small mission.
Summer went away. All my day. You're on your own, kid. You always have been.
Aw. Okay.
Kid, you always have been.
Ooh. Sin Jack Antonoff and Shin. Ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da.
Sprinkler splashes to
Sprinklers.
sashes. I gave my blood, sweat and tears for this. I hosted parties and starved my body like I'd be saved by a perfect kiss.
Woohoo! Shin on 1989. It's giving Arietta the Woods yet. Don't judge my nails, mar bhí mé nervíise an láir fad. Agus bhí mé nail. What she should bronach na sasta, I don't know. Let's up Taylor.
He wanted a comfortable, I wanted that pain. He wanted a bride, I was taking my own name. Chasing that fame, he stayed the same. All of me changed like midnight.
There, the Tora Linton show. That was weird. Why did you get that some? Oh, on Fairy show. Taylor. Do. Question. Kesht. An will ein kesh the game dinna? I'm like teacher mode. An will ein kesh the game dinna? Oh my god, stop. Fake or he? Tá she go hauling. Just like fannacht.
Fucking situations,
Taylor.
circumstances, miscommute. When she said it was too much, do you wish you could still touch her? It's
Her?
just a question with some dickhead guy that you saw that night.
Whoa.
But years later they were clapping too. Then you leave her house in the middle of the night. Did you wish you put up more of a fight? I'm sure
Yes.
that's what I ask you a question.
Who's that? Oh. Do. Oh. Yes. Vigilante shit. Ooh. Like the curse words freshen. Na bí gascony os cor maladi nog. Show maladi nog.
Draw the cat eyes sharp enough to kill a man.
Killing men. Yes, it's following me. Ooh, okay, it's definitely Colleen Donna.
I wonder which one.
Ercolor Taylor. Pepe Horla.
Ladies know.
Okay, Sinead. Ah! Go with my control.
Baby love.
Ceir Horla and Gin just stop sé. Tá sí fargach agus tá sin ceir glór. You know? Tá ceart aquí bheith fargach. Bejeweled. Oh yeah, just Nomade. Bejeweled. Fáinní clúise for mé mar ceap mé gur bhainne siad kind of costa le gealach, like a moon, piece of beag. Ach, like, béidir gur bhainne siad costa le rud a bheith bow shrón. Ach, yeah, seo Bejeweled, seo mo fáinní clúise do Midnights. So, for me, carrick done. Cred no not cred. So, Bejeweled. Just bhí mission ra agus na fáinní freisin ach bhín siad a gcónaí Arenos.
Only works when you're in their top 5.
Oh, top 5 Bebo.
And by the way,
No, Taylor. Painful. Goni taiste ki ceir tatorlí mo hiel. Is sin cute. agus brona agus das ag an am céine. Okay, Labyrinth, an bhá. I love it. Oh, Karma! Karma is real. Sinna ruidir tí in aglah le Vogue. Oh, galore daoine scríb an cean seo. Oh, okay, hahan Labyrinth gomórlam, just have put it there. Okay, Karma, Riling.
He's talking shit for the hell of it.
Smoke chocolate.
And I keep my side of the street clean. Karma is the breeze in my hair on the weekend.
What?
Hey boy, king of thieves. Weave your little webs of opposite.
Karma is my boyfriend.
Karma is the breezy. Karma is a cat. Purring in my lap 'cause it loves me. Flexing like a goddamn ass. Karma is a queen. Karma takes all my friends to the summit.
Yes, Taylor. Yes, Taylor. Tattoo. Either in show. Karma is my boyfriend. Cared. Oh my god. We should shin. Level ella. Okay. Tá Karma an shin. Level ella. Iconic. Karma in a net. Tá an chocolate beannach imethe.
Does it ever miss Wicklow sometime?
Wicklow. Taylor Wicklow. Kill wonton.
They said the end is coming. Everyone's up to something. I found myself running onto your sweet nothings. Outside they push and shoving. Sweet nothing. Outside they push and shoving. You're in the kitchen humming. All that you ever wanted from me was nothing. You just read it and humming.
Oh, Taylor. Does it ever miss Wicklow sometimes? Why can't find her cheek on to me? Can't dare enough, guys. Ah! Mastermind. Wontons only. No kunla. Okay, and law dare Taylor were they fi come to me? I can die happy. We should go hauling though. Stop, like Mochree. I can't. Hope say like you're in love with giving them, like burnt toast Sunday, like humming in the kitchen. It's giving on Rudkena. I'll really la high lyrics like Taylor Swift olam Katya Yena like through osmosis, like Neil fi Cappy the olam the Glambier o of Lave Katya just Aisha Flesh na Horan Dem Mila or a mention and kui a bint in a lyricy the Glambier. Okay, Mastermind. Not Cliffation.
I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know, but
3 day ever Taylor Swift.
Once upon a time the play.
Stop. Aww.
And now you're mine.
Now you're mine.
It
Wow.
was all right.
Aww.
And the liquor in our cocktails.
Woo.
That
Yes.
no one wanted to play with me as a little kid. So I've been scheming like a criminal ever since. To make them love me and make it seem effortless.
Oh.
First time.
Aww. Cute. And cool. Okay, Kianwanala. Hits different.
Like an asshole outlaw. Freedom felt like
Taylor.
something.
Ooh. Taylor Swift. Ooh. Agoni.
The art
Little chocolate there, my. Can't talk target. Aww, Cocolota. Oh my god. Okay, tá gá cean like bonus Ella. Nina Summer wallet big gushtal that should be gone Dana. But YOLO, you're on your own kid. Let Strings remix. Agus an chinta piano, let Sweet Nothing. So sure, why not? Some of them show Hannah Hain nach well. Brawl am an cean show. So déis me bless show Hannah Hain ach should just lag an Ella. Tá sé co cute mar album. Ceam le Taylor Catú Aisha Club le Uer. Spinam nar coola me Evermore and K-Door. I was like, I don't know. And then Nish like literally my whole personality. So now we bore Hakuna. Agus hi Jay, cons tatu, ein den Ellen show foes. Ficker he. The Negan Tog screenshot.
I want to take a pic.
Here, we make your eye Taylor again all day and yay. Cén fóga sé sin có brnach though. Chaos gremlin mode. Oh my god. Iconic. Okay. Tá mis dul chola. Ihawa, Gramór, Salán a chuirde.